What's up everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the best traffic sources I've ever seen. Also, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into the video. Clickbank is one of the most popular and largest affiliate networks out there. A ton of affiliates use Clickbank to promote high converting offers. We believe the affiliate traffic sources you're about to see works best for affiliate marketing. Here are the 10 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Number 10, Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a great way to connect with like-minded people and promote your affiliate products. When you join a group, make sure to introduce yourself and let people know what you do. If you have a blog or a website, share it in the group so people can get to know you better. When posting about your affiliate products, be sure to include a call to action so people know where to find more information. For example, if you're promoting a new diet pill, you might say, check out my blog for more info on how this diet pill can help you lose weight. Including a call to action will help you generate more clicks and conversions. Once you've joined a few groups, take some time to get to know the members and see what kind of products they're interested in. If you have an affiliate product that you think will be a good fit, reach out to the group admin and ask if you can post about it. Be sure to include a link to your affiliate page so that people can easily purchase the product. By taking the time to build relationships and promote products that are relevant, you will have successful affiliate commission sales. Number 9, Quora. Joining an affiliate marketing program is a great way to earn money online, and promoting affiliate products on Quora can be a great way to get started. As one of the largest Q&A sites on the web, Quora receives millions of visitors each and every day from all over the world. This makes it a perfect platform for promoting affiliate products. But before you start, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure that your Quora profile is complete and includes a link to your website or blog. This will help to ensure that people click through your affiliate links. Second, take the time to find quality products that will be relevant to the interests of the people who use Quora. Remember, people come to the website for answers to their questions, so give value first, then give them your affiliate links to their solution. Quora is a website where people can ask and answer questions on any topic. It's a great place to find out about new products and services, and to learn more about the interests of your potential customers. Find relevant questions to answer. Use the search bar on Quora to find questions that are relevant to the products you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you can search for how to lose weight or weight loss tips. Number 8, Pinterest. As a Pinterest user, you may have noticed that some pins leads to affiliate products. Promoting affiliate products on Pinterest can be a great way to earn commissions, while also helping others find products they love. When promoting affiliate products, it's important to be transparent about your affiliation and to choose products that are relevant to your audience. For example, if you run a fashion blog, promoting fashion-related affiliate products would be a natural fit. To get started with Pinterest, create pins that showcase your affiliate products in an attractive and visually appealing way. Be sure to include a compelling description and a call to action to encourage people to click through your site. You can also use Pinterest ads to reach an even wider audience. With a little effort, you can quickly start driving traffic and sales from this popular social media platform. You can use Canva to create eye-catching pins that link to your affiliate products and make sure to include a clear call to action so your followers know what to do next. With a little creativity and effort, promoting affiliate products on Pinterest can be a great way to earn some great affiliate commissions. Number 7, TikTok. TikTok has quickly grown in popularity as one of the most widely used social media sites, with users spending an average of 52 minutes per day on the app. This provides a huge opportunity for affiliate marketers to promote products and services to a wide audience. In order to be successful, it is important to create content that is creative and engaging. If you're looking to promote affiliate products on TikTok, here are a few tips to get you started. First, identify the products that you want to promote. Keep in mind that your audience will be primarily composed of young people. So, choose products that would appeal to them. Next, create engaging content that will pique their interest. Be creative and have fun with it. Finally, Make sure to include a call to action in your videos, such as link to the product page or a discount code. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to success in promoting affiliate products on TikTok. Number 6, Reddit. Reddit can be a great place to promote affiliate products. With over 330 million active users, it offers a vast potential audience for your products or services. And because Reddit is organized into communities or subreddits, you can easily target potential customers who are interested in what you have to offer. For example, if you're promoting a new line of cosmetics, you can target the Our Makeup Addiction subreddit. To get started, simply create a post on Reddit and include a link to your affiliate product. Be sure to provide a brief description of the product as well as any special offer or discounts that may be available. Reddit can be a great place to promote affiliate products. By finding relevant subreddits and becoming an active member of the community, you can build trust and credibility. When you do share affiliate links, be sure to disclose your relationships to the product and add value by sharing your honest opinion or helpful tips. Above all, remember that Reddit is a community, so focus on being helpful and informative rather than being promotional. If you take this approach, you should be able to find success in promoting affiliate products on Reddit. Promote great affiliate products, then sit back and let the upvotes roll in. Number 5, Twitter. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, promoting affiliate products on Twitter can be a great way to do it. As an affiliate, you'll be able to earn commissions on sales of the products you promote. And with millions of people using Twitter each and every day, there's a huge potential audience for your affiliate links. To be successful in promoting affiliate products on Twitter, it's important to start by finding the right products to promote. Look for products that are popular and that would appeal to your target audience. Once you've found some good products, it's time to start tweeting about them. Make sure to use eye-catching images and compelling descriptions to get people interested in clicking your link. Number 4, Facebook ads. Facebook ads are a great way to promote affiliate products. You can target your ads to people who are interested in the product, and you can track how many people see and click on your ad. Plus, Facebook ads are relatively inexpensive, so you can get a lot of exposure for your affiliate product without breaking the bank. When promoting an affiliate product on Facebook, it's important to create a compelling ad that will grab people's attention. Remember to include a call to action in your ad, and make sure your landing page is optimally designed to convert visitors into buyers. With a little effort, you can use Facebook ads to effectively promote any affiliate product. Number 3, email marketing. There are a lot of different ways to promote affiliate products, but one of the most effective methods is email marketing. By building up a list of subscribers and sending out regular emails, you can reach a large audience with your promotional messages. And because people who subscribe to your list are already interested in what you have to say, they're more likely to be receptive to your affiliate links. Of course, email marketing is only effective if you do it right. You need to make sure that your messages are clear and concise, and that your links are easy to spot. You also need to build up trust with your subscribers before you start promoting affiliate products. Otherwise, they're likely to hit the delete button as soon as they see your message. Number 2, Instagram. Getting shoutouts from well-known influencers, stories, and posting pictures with targeted hashtags. There are a lot of ways to make money with Instagram, but one of the most popular ways is by promoting affiliate products. As an affiliate, you simply find products that you love and then share with your followers. Adding your unique affiliate link so that people can purchase the product through your link. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a great way to monetize your account and start earning some extra cash. Plus, it's really easy to get started. All you need is an Instagram account and a few minutes to set up your affiliate links. So why not give it a try? You can be earning money from your Instagram account in no time. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon notification. Number 1, YouTube. As the second largest search engine, YouTube has certainly earned its position. If you're thinking of promoting affiliate products with YouTube, you're on the right track. Video is one of the most popular forms of content, and it's only getting more popular. What's more, people are more likely to buy something after watching a video about it than after reading an article. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind if you want to be successful. First, Make sure your videos are high quality and offer value to your viewers. No one wants to watch a low quality commercial, so don't treat your videos like ads. Second, take advantage of YouTube's algorithm by using keywords and tags. This will help your videos show up in the search results and get more views. Finally, be sure to promote your affiliate links in the description for each video you upload. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.